Hi, everybody. Welcome back to today's edition of Blockchain in Crypto with your host, Kyle Ellicott. It is May 19th. If you haven't already seen where the industry and the markets are, we're going to quickly recap them, but we've got a ton of positive things to talk about, so don't worry. Currently right now, for those that are paying attention to the markets, and I'm looking at Masari.io for these prices just to get a third party's opinion. So right now, Bitcoin is sitting just under 37,000, about 15% down over 24 hours. Ethereum around 2,200 and about 34% down over that 24 period as well. And we're seeing those types of numbers across the board on all currencies as well. So just to give you that quick rundown, but let's get into what is happening elsewhere throughout the industry as well. Solana and its ecosystem are seeing additional investment. We know about 2 weeks ago, they saw $100 million investment into the ecosystem from 5 venture funds. Well, now, today we get reports that there is an additional $60 million that will come into the ecosystem to help further development and applications on its blockchain as well. So congratulations to the Solana ecosystem. Next up, according to The Block and other sources per readings this morning, decentralized finance or DeFi lending protocol Maple Finance has launched with its first lending protocol of $17 million. The first lenders include blockchain.com and CoinShares, and borrowers include trading firms Alameda Research, Winter Mule, and the Amber Group as well. So what all does this mean? It means that lenders and borrowers can now actually interact together with each other via Maple's Marketplace. Congratulations to the team. Big breaking news moments ago today from the traditional finance world. Wells Fargo, one of the largest financial institutions in the United States that oversees nearly $2 trillion in assets, has come out finally, following the footsteps of many others, saying that they are planning to adopt an actively managed cryptocurrency strategy for qualified investors. And now this is according to its investment institute president as well. Now the president, Daryl Kronk has recently also stated that the space has evolved and matured enough to be a viable investment asset. He says that the 9,000 some odd cryptocurrencies that add up to just over $2 trillion in market value have illustrated that point. Now, this comes as exciting and again, breaking news on a day when the markets are seeing some pullback as well. So very excited to see where that takes us next and where it also helps bridge that CeFi DeFi world that we talk about a lot here. Next up, the Nervos Foundation has launched another fund. Now, Nervos and its team launched a fund back in February of $5 million. Today, the foundation, in collaboration with CMB International, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of China's Merchant Bank, have launched together a $50 million fund. Innovation is what it's called, which will be made for early stage investments, investing around $200,000 US up to $2 million in startups that are building blockchain-based products. So whether you're focused on DeFi, decentralized finance, which is what their original fund was focused on, protocol development, decentralized applications or dApps, non-fungible tokens, marketplaces, and otherwise, this is a fund for you to look at as well. So excited to see where that goes. Next up, NFT Trade has released its mainnet. Now, what does this mean? I thought this was pretty exciting to see in the industry, so I wanted to bring it to all of our attention today. NFT Trade will be able to bridge between NFT platforms on other blockchains. There's that bridge. Thus creating liquidity and further access and potentially fractionizing the market of NFTs that has been so very structured sense. This new mainnet also gives customers opportunities such as exchanging NFTs via peer-to-peer escrows, NFT farming, staking tokens from various crypto projects as well that allow you to earn and actually see some utility out of those NFTs, non-fungible tokens as well. So very cool area in the infrastructure side of the NFT landscape. And lastly, the Indian government is currently in the process of rethinking India's blanket ban on cryptocurrencies, according to a report by the Economic Times. There's been a few notes that a committee will be formed on reassessing, providing a fresh look at the value and opportunities that cryptocurrencies and tokens alike can provide for the country as well. So with that, that's a quick rundown of what's happening in blockchain and crypto today, May 19th. Hope you enjoyed it. Definitely see you back here tomorrow. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at Kyle Ellicott and on all social medias. We know today's going to be a wild day. I'm going to be dropping more out there along with further context of what's all happening around this industry as well. Big thank you to LATOKEN team and to Maria for making today's episode possible. Check us out, latoken.com and VCTV here in just a few minutes as we bring investors from around the world to break all of this down and much, much more for you as well. Get your questions ready. We'll see you there. Everyone have a wonderful day. See you on Twitter. Take care, everyone. Bye.